Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. And today we are installing our side skirt extensions that we painted a few weeks ago. I finally got the little clips that I was talking about. These little push pin type fasteners. Hopefully this will focus. I think these will hold the side skirt extensions on much better than just this double-sided tape. As you know that I can't run screws up through the side skirt extensions into the side skirts because my airlines and height sensor wires run through the side skirts if you've watched the install video of the Airlift Performance. So I'm going to pull the back tire off, look in the inner fender well, make sure that I can see down the side skirt, and I just don't want to hit that airline with the drill at all, because then I'm gonna have to replace the whole line throughout the car, and that's just not something I want to do because it's fine. There's no punctures in it now. Why would I replace something when I don't have to? And for those who are asking, the manifold still hasn't returned back. I'm not sure what's going on. I've emailed Airlift Performance asking them for an update, got no updates, and I looked on the UPS website of where my manifold that I shipped out, and it says it's in Memphis and it's been there since the 22nd of April. So I have no idea what's going on. I've emailed and called UPS to find out what's actually happening. I don't know if it's actually stuck there or the website's not updated. It's been hitting the 15 to 20 degrees Celsius here in Calgary, which is around the 17 to 75 degree Fahrenheit. It's getting so nice out, and I want to take Quinn out on the road. So hopefully we get the manifold back soon and we can start getting the car out for a drive. First things first, we're going to put the holes in the side skirt extensions. I'm going to use a regular drill bit first. Then we are going to use what is called a unibit. It has a bunch of steps for different sizes. It's marked on the inside of the bit of what size it is. This way it'll give us a nice clean hole, and hopefully when we're taking this through the actual bottom of the side skirts, this also has a less likelihood of damaging anything on the inside. So let's get the extensions drilled off first, then we'll open it up with this hole, then we'll mount it onto the car. We got all the holes drilled in the side skirt extensions, and now we're going to put them on the car, but I realized there's a ton of 3M tape left from when I peeled them off. So we got to get under the car, get all that cleaned off before we can actually get the side skirt extensions mounted. So let's get the cleaning, and then we can finally get to mounting these side skirt extensions. First side skirt extension on. It's a little challenging because the actual blocks that I made aren't tall enough. So when I lower the car onto the blocks and move the quick jacks out of the way, the drill's too long to fit in between the actual cement floor and the side skirt. So I've kind of had to push the quick jacks in and then fiddle and mess about. But I got the holes drilled. I used some plastic bonder on the actual lip of the side skirt extension, put it up there, and then secured it in place with the fasteners. So hopefully it's going to stay there now. It actually looks like a really good fit. I'm going to go do the other side, and then once I get the other side done, I'll give you guys a close-up of what it looks like and how it looks. And so far, I'm pleasantly pleased on how it's turned out. So fingers crossed the other side goes just as smoothly, and then we'll be finally done the side skirt extension. Side skirt extensions are on, all bolted up, epoxy down, just like I showed you in the time lapse there. I think it's going to be really good. It's going to make it, they're just going to stay there longer. They're not going to end up bowing in the middle from getting hot and cold, and just like they did last year from the 3M tape. So fingers crossed that those push pins help hold it. It's all trial and error. I think it should be fine. I mean, a lot of the rest of the car has push pins on it and they held up fine, so I think we'll be good. We'll do a quick close-up. I'll show you guys what it looked like installed. It sits really nice and flush against the side skirts. I think it turned out really well, and I'm super impressed. So let's do a close-up and I'll show you guys. So what do you guys think? I think that just complements the car so much better. I love how it breaks up the white and the black and then the white. That is how it's supposed to look. Okay, so we did something new to the car, and if one of you can message me on Instagram and let me know what we did new to the car, the first person that gets it right, I will ship out a hat and a couple air fresheners. What is new to the car? What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the side skirt extensions. I think it looks and it completes the car so much nicer now. And I really wish the car was done. I wish the manifold was back, because we have an opportunity tomorrow that is going to be epic. There's going to be some really nice cars, great people, and I think the event is going to be so much fun. I'm going to bring you guys along. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell below. It'll notify you every time I drop a new video. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the beautiful weather, having a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe.